How to set business hours in Instagram. First up, open up the Instagram app and head towards your profile. On the top right, click on the three horizontal line options that you can see and click on Settings. First, we need to set our account to a professional business account. So, search for Switch to Professional Account and click the category that best describes your business. After this, Instagram will ask you if you are a business or a creator. Click on Business and then open up the settings once again after your business account is set up. Then go to the search bar up as you can see and then click on Business. If you are an operating and verified business account, here you will also see an option of business hours. Just click on that and set your business hour. But if you do not have that, you can go to frequently asked questions and then set a question of what are your hours and write an automated response. This then works as an alternative for setting your business hours in Instagram. When someone is interested and tries to message the Instagram page, this question will then be displayed on the chat box. And this is how you can easily add the business hours to your Instagram. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.